Here's the one idea that makes Drimify easy. Every game is built the same way. Every game is built from the same 8 steps. The start screen is the first thing players see and invites them to play. Branding sets your logo, colours and fonts once. An intermediate screen is flexible, placed before or after the game to collect data or show content. The game configuration is the one step that changes per game type. The end screen shows the result, a message and a call to action. Settings control the play rules, like frequency and identification. Schedule sets when the game goes live and when it ends, and publish makes it live to share by link, QR code or embed. They all start the same. A start screen, then your branding. Only the game configuration changes from one game to the next. So once you've built a couple, you know how to build them all. And there are 2 ways in: build with the AI builder or build manually. Either way, you land in the same flow. With the AI builder, the AI completes the flow for you. Manually, you follow the very same steps yourself. Same result. Now pick your first game type and start building.